What's up, YouTube? It's your boy James back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at an Allen Iverson Mitchell & Ness Swingman jersey. This Allen Iverson jersey that we're going to look at today has a retail price tag of $130. Now the Swingman line from Mitchell & Ness does promise a nice build, even though it is a step down from quality from their authentic jerseys. And this particular jersey that we're looking at today is what Allen Iverson wore in his rookie season when he started his NBA career with the Philadelphia 76ers. Now, as you all know, Allen Iverson is one of the greatest basketball players to ever live. Allen Iverson was an 11-time NBA All-Star. He won the MVP in the All-Star game 2 times in 2001 and 2005. He also won the NBA scoring title 4 times in 99, 2001, 2002, and 2005. And although he played for multiple teams in his career, he will always be remembered as a Philadelphia 76er, and Philadelphia actually immortalized him by retiring his number 3 jersey. If you're in the market for a Mitchell & Ness Swingman jersey, whether it's this Allen Iverson jersey or a different player from the product line, then I hope that this review can help you. So in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this jersey. We're going to do a full detailed review, and then I'm going to hit you with an unbody. And then at the end, I'm going to leave you with my thoughts on this $130 Mitchell & Ness Swingman jersey. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Love you guys. And to the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. But if this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. If you all could do that thing that I like and destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. Allen Iverson was one of my favorite players to watch when I was growing up. By NBA standards, he was just a little guy at 6 feet tall. But his game was big and his heart was even bigger. This dude was an absolute beast on the basketball court. He was almost unguardable. He gave 110% pretty much every time he was on the floor. It didn't matter who he was playing, who was guarding him, he was going to put up some points. And throughout his career, he really didn't have like a super team or a bunch of superstar teammates or anything like that. So he pretty much carried that Philadelphia 76ers team on his back. And even though he never won an NBA championship, it doesn't take away anything from his legacy. And his popularity then and now is an indication of that. And not only was he a total beast on a basketball court, but his influence with the hip-hop culture that he brought into the NBA was actually one of the reasons why the NBA instituted a dress code. And because of him, for a long time, you saw NBA players walking into the locker room in full 3-piece suits because Daniel Stern, the commissioner of the NBA at the time, instituted this dress code, basically because of Allen Iverson. So his influence was felt on and off the court. And when you put all those things together, that's what makes Allen Iverson an NBA legend. Alright, so let's open this thing up and see what we got going on. You got a single piece of tissue paper, plastic bag, and then another piece of tissue paper inside the jersey. And BAM! So my first impression straight out of the bag is that, the jersey does pop. The colorway is dope with the red, white, and blue. The jersey does have some weight to it, just like most Mitchell & Ness jerseys. So what we're going to do next in this video, guys, is we're going to take an up-close look at it. We're going to look at the materials that were used and to see what the quality is really like and see what you really get for, $130 retail price point. But now that we got this jersey unboxed, let's go ahead and take an up-close look at this Allen Iverson Mitchell & Ness jersey. So here's our first up-close look at this Allen Iverson jersey. So starting at the top, you're going to have your Mitchell & Ness tag. And this is a size large, so there's no authentic sizing on this at all. Then coming down, you have your neck liner, and it has that red outline. On the left-hand side of the jersey, you have this NBA logo, and this is the gold one, and this signifies the NBA's 50th anniversary. And this is actually heat-pressed. It's not stitched on the jersey at all. And then here you have your Mitchell & Ness tag that has a retail price of $130. And the other tag says Hardwood Classics and NBA.com. Now moving down to the middle of the jersey here where you have that Sixers text, Now guys, this is all one piece, and it is heat pressed. It is not stitched. But if you look closely, you could see that they try to give you the appearance that it's stitched, but it's 100% definitely not. Now moving down below that, you're going to have your number 3, and this is heat pressed as well. And as you can tell, they really do try to make it look like it's stitched, but it's 100% definitely not. Now moving down to the left-hand bottom side of the jersey, you're going to have your Mitchell & Ness jock tag. It says 96-97 Allen Iverson, Hardwood Classic, Mitchell & Ness. And then it has the Swingman tag below that. Now this is the only thing on this jersey that is actually embroidered at all. Now moving to the back of the jersey, and here at the top you have your Iverson lettering in blue, and that's the same thing guys, it's all heat pressed. There is no stitching on this. And below that the number 3 again, and the same thing like before, all heat pressed, no stitching. Inside the jersey, you're going to have this tag, and it is 100% polyester, which is very good. I mean, like, you know, as far as like the quality of the build of the actual jersey goes, 100% polyester is really good. So here I've turned the jersey inside out just so you can see that, you know, there's no stitching. If any of this was stitched, you'd be able to see the threading come through, but it's all heat pressed like I've been saying. But down here, you know, where the jock tag is, you can actually see threading, so that is the only thing on this jersey that is embroidered. So now that we took a look at the build and the quality of this jersey, I'm going to go ahead and throw this thing on and show you what it looks like on body. So in this review, I've tried to really keep in mind that this is a Swingman $130 jersey. This isn't a $300 Mitchell & Ness jersey, so I've been trying to keep that in mind because there's an almost $200 price difference between the Swingman and the authentic jerseys that Mitchell & Ness makes. Now with that being said, this jersey is true to size, so, you know, buy your true size, whether you're a large, extra large, etc. And what they give you for $130, you know, the material from the actual jersey is actually nice, heavyweight, it's pretty decent, and it feels good on body. But nothing on this jersey is embroidered at all. Not even the NBA logo patch, which I find kind of disappointing. But for $130, if you're in the market to spend that kind of money on a jersey, then this isn't a terrible jersey for you to go after. So if you're looking to build up your jersey collection and you want to purchase some Swingman jerseys, I totally understand. The price point isn't terrible. It is a little bit more expensive than like the Nike Swingman, but Mitchell & Ness makes the throwback jersey. So, you know, you're going to get legendary players and stuff like that in their product line, as to where, you know, Nike and stuff like that, you know, they're going to give you current NBA players. But I'm interested to see what your thoughts are on this Allen Iverson jersey that I picked up. So drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. Do you own any Mitchell & Ness Swingman jerseys, and which ones do you have? And how do you feel about the quality that they give you? I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching the video. Before you guys bounce out, if you could please destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any videos on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And until next video, peace.